Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am doing an eyeshadow tutorial. I am doing a Sweet as Candy. These are brand new. They came out at Walgreens. They are $2.99. You get 4 shadows for $2.99. And I love it. I absolutely love it because they tell you transition, eyelid, crease, and brow bone. So if you guys are always wondering, like, where do I put this? What do I do with this? Blah, 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 blah. It tells you it shows you where to place them. So if you guys want to see this tutorial, just stay tuned and please hit that subscribe button and that tiny little bell down there. So let's get to that video. Hey guys, so I have a nice fluffy brush right here and I'm going to take this transition color and go right into my crease. I go into the crease, going a little bit higher, and then I'm going to take it down on the corner right here. Okay, so that transition color is on. I'm going to go now with the crease color and I'm going to go right a little bit lower on into that crease again. So they look very similar colors actually, but I think that the crease color is just a pinch darker, and going down on the side. Taking a nice flat brush, I'm going to go and put that eyelid color right on the eyelid. I like using these flat brushes because I feel like they just pack on the color. Now taking a nice clean fluffy brush, I'm going to just kind of go on this line just to soften it a little bit so there's like a seamless blend. Now taking the brow bone color and I'm just gonna sweep it under here lightly. This brow bone color is actually very, very pigmented, so just dip in and then shake off your brush and then applying to the corner, meeting into that pink on the lid. Now I'm gonna clean off my brush and kind of just like try to diffuse that brow bone color a little bit because it is very blinding. Okay, so this is what the makeup looks like when it is completed. I think it's so pretty. Doesn't it look like such a romantic, nice, soft daytime look? I'm not like overly glam. I think it's perfect. I mean, obviously, if you didn't want it so glam, I wouldn't have put the lashes on, but I love to be a little bit more extra. I think it's gorgeous, and for the price point, it was $2.99. Come on, you get 4 freaking shadows, and they are so pigmented. I will try this other one that is called Silent Treatment in a different video, but for now, I give this a total thumbs up. And if you could, please give this video a total thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down there. It's just like down there to the right of the screen, and that tiny little bell in the corner will give you the notifications whenever I upload a new video. But I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Thank you so much for watching.